Hey guys, so today, as requested in the last video, I'm gonna be making a full sword. This is a pretty cool one. It's a more modernized ninja sword. It took about 2 days to make and around 30 sheets of paper. So let's get right into it. So I took the 30 sheets of paper and I hardened them into 15 full sheets of hardened paper and then left them under some weight so that they could dry without warping. At this point, I used the 15 hardened sheets to make a brick type full hardened sheet by offsetting them. It's 3 sheets long and 5 sheets thick, so a total of 10 sheets of paper thick. Once I finished the full hardened sheet, I eyeballed and kind of sketched out the template on top, slowly erasing and kind of fine tuning the whole template, and then I started to cut it out. So now I used the blade that I cut out and traced it onto the rest of the sheet, and then I added a small bevel on the side so that these two next pieces can act like the bevel on either side of the main piece. So after I sharpied and glued the pieces together, I used a paracord to make a very simple handle, just simply wrapping it all the way around. So that's pretty much it for this sword. This is a lot of fun to build. I hadn't built a sword in a while. So if you have any suggestions for future videos, make sure to leave them in the comments. And like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be back next time.